going to food and wine festivals is a ton of fun, but when it represents something like this,
Like more special, like heartfelt.
this is Navy SEAL Foundation's Frogman Feast, and it's all about Gold Star families and raising money for fallen soldiers and their families with one of the best things I think you could possibly do. Throw a giant party in a parking lot at a brewery.
Lots of amazing food and drinks. Now, you've done this before in the past. This is actually my first time here, and this is such an awesome experience. It's like that when you go to a carnival and you start to walk up to the place and everything smells so good.
Except all the aromas, it's not like waffle cones
No,
and
it's
hot dogs.
This is like smoking, like
fried
food
oysters.
And, yeah.
I saw Push was making dosas. Gorgeous.
Dude, what
beautiful.
was that? Is that what I tried with
Yeah, it
the
was like-
chicken butter
It's
inside?
like the pancake batter and the rolled up and the stunning.
A revelation.
Whoa, right?
But there were shrimp tacos, we did pork belly, the fried literally everything that you can think of, and then custom cocktails. A bunch of distilleries around here are showing up and showing that they, can bring the love with food.
I don't really get a chance to cook at events like this very often, but walking around and eating is just as much fun. Also, we mentioned the cause earlier. If you want to, check out the links down below. The Navy SEAL Foundation is part of this fantastic event. It's called the Frogman Feast. Go follow them on social media. Do what you can. Donate if you can. Follow all the chefs. There's some great chefs.
Oh, fantastic
all
chefs.
over the country.
Really great restaurants. A lot of pit masters. The whole shebang.
Yeah, there are no beginners here.
Oh, no,
except
no,
for
no.
CJ.
Okay.
Did you try the oysters? The oysters?
Nah, dude.
Is it chef's kiss? It's good. It's good. That's it. That's all I got.
Yeah.
We're gonna go eat and drink some more because that's what
Somebody's
we do.
got to do it.
That's
That's
right.
our job.
Yeah, might as
Not
well be
your
us.
job. Yeah.
Thank you guys so much. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all the stuff,
All those things.
Yeah.
Griddle Nation, have fun out there, and if you can make it to one of these, definitely try to do it.
See you guys
Later, guys.